So we're going to be making gluten-free waffles. So James, if you could add 250 of the self-raising flour first.
250?
Yes, please. That's quite a bit. So keep going. About, that'd be fine actually, 230 is fine for what we need. Okay, so that is step one. Perfect. So the next step is to crack one egg into that. So if you could do that please, mate.
Quite a bit of shell went in.
That's okay.
So I know what to do.
Okay, and what do we do?
You get one of the eggshells and get all the cracked bits out.
Yeah, it's the best way to get an eggshell out, isn't it?
Mhm.
Good job. Alright, so I'll let you do that.
It's not working.
That's all right, I can give you a hand.
Yeah.
Cool. Good job though. Whisk it all together. If you can do it not too fast, then not too slow. And then you want it to be a little bit crumbly. So if you keep going till the yolk disappears. Great job. Really good whisking.
Thanks.
The next thing we're going to do is weigh out 250 millilitres of milk. Okay. That's it. Excellent. The next thing we're going to do is add the milk into the mixture, and I'm going to whisk it in while you pour, James, okay? To get it all mixed in. So you keep pouring, and keep going till it's all in. Fantastic. Yeah, if you take over, give it a whisk. And we're going to keep whisking it until it gets a little bit thicker in consistency, but we also want the lumps to disappear. That's the main thing. Great job. So as you can see, that's all mixed in now. So great job with that, James. What we need to do now is turn on the waffle maker. So if you can flick that switch. Okay, and then what we're looking for is for it to heat up, and when it is reached its temperature, the green light will come on. So we'll have to wait for that to happen. Shouldn't take too long. This is now green, so it's reached temperature. So what we're going to do now, James, if I just lift this up, because it is a little bit hot. So with that tablespoon, if you can do 1 tablespoon into one side of the waffle maker. Okay, and if you could do another one. So what we're going to do is get enough mixture in, but not too much, just to sort of cover the top. Okay, go on. And more. Doesn't matter about the mess, we can clean it up. Okay, maybe do another one. Cool. May I take over a second? Okay, so if we just do one more. And then we can spread it into the corners. So there's no gaps. Okay. So that's one. We'll just do the other one quickly. Okay. We do one more, then I'll just take over to the last bit, if that's all right. Good job. There we go, so it's all covered up. So what we do now is just close down the lid. And if you've got a timer, which we usually use our oven, so James, if you can set that to 10 minutes, please. Perfect. And then when that beeps, we will get lovely golden crispy waffles. So with the leftover mixture, you can add it to your measuring jug, and this will keep in the fridge for 2 days. So you can do it all over again tomorrow.
And also that's nearly a quarter of a litre.
So the 10 minutes is up. So let's have a look at these waffles, see how they look. Wow, they look good, don't they?
Wow!
Look at that.
Wow.
Okay, so should we get them out and then choose some toppings for it?
Yeah.
So we have both waffles. James has chosen chocolate spread, vanilla ice cream and sprinkles. So this would be for my daughter as well, and
Me and my sister.
for my son. So let's get spreading and decorating, shall we? So we have 2 waffles with chocolate spread, vanilla ice cream and sprinkles. So that's, well, you can eat them now.